Hello everybody, how are you? Now I am another class and teaching you how to make passive voice from active voice. Dear learners, till now you have learned how to make active voice of past tense triliteral into passive voice. I hope you have understood it. Let us revise the same through another verb. For example, Sami'a. 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 Its root letters are Sin, Mim, Ain. Sami'a. He heard. Forms of passive voice of the past tense third person. Third person masculine singular. Sumi'a. Sumi'a. Sumi'a for masculine singular. Sumi'a, he was heard. And for feminine, Sumi'at, she was heard. Sumi'a, he was heard. Sumi'at, she was heard. And for dual masculine, Sumi'a, 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 they too were heard. And for feminine, Sumi'ata, 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 they too were heard. And for plural masculine, Sumi'u. For plural masculine, Sumi'u. Sumi'u, they more than two were heard. Sumi'u for masculine, they more than two were heard. And for feminine, Sumi'na. Sumi'na for masculine, Sumi'u. And for feminine, Sumi'na. Sumi'na, they more than two were heard. Forms of passive voice of the past tense second person. Masculine singular. Singular masculine Sumi'ta, you were heard. Sumi'ta for masculine singular, you were heard. Sumi'ti for feminine. Sumi'ti for feminine. Sumi'ta for masculine. Sumi'ti for feminine. Sumi'ta, you were heard. Sumi'ti, you were heard. And for dual, dual Sumi'tuma. Sumi'tuma, you too were heard. And I have already told that there is only one form for dual, for masculine as well as for feminine. Sumi'tuma, dual masculine. Sumi'tuma, dual feminine. Sumi'tuma, you too were heard. Sumi'tuma for feminine, you too were heard. But there is a different form for plural. For plural, masculine, Sumi'tum. 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 Sumi'tum, you more than two were heard. Sumi'tum, you more than two were heard. And Sumi'tunna for feminine, plural, you more than two were heard. Sumi'tunna, you more than two were heard. Forms of passive voice of the past tense third person, first person. Forms of passive voice of the past tense first person. For masculine, I have already told that there is only one form for masculine as well as for feminine. So, for masculine and feminine singular for first person is Sumi'tu. I was heard. Sumi'tu. I was heard. Sumi'tu. I was heard. And for dual, there is only one form. Sumi'tu for dual, masculine as well as for feminine. Sumi'na, we too were heard. And there is also the same form for plural. Sumi'na, plural, masculine and feminine. Sumi'na, we more than two were heard. Now let us see the above changes in the form of sentences. It will help us to understand some more points. It will help us to understand some more points. Look at the following active and passive sentences, one opposite to the other. I have given one opposite to the other so that you can grasp, you can understand the changes easily. So, sentences in active voice and sentences in passive voice. Fataha Khalidun kitaban. Fataha Khalidun kitaban. Khalid opened a book. Fataha Khalidun kitaban is active voice. Fataha Khalidun kitaban. Khalid opened a book. And passive is Futiha kitabun. Khalid was deleted. Futiha kitabun. Active is Fataha Khalidun kitaban. And passive is Futiha kitabun. A book was opened. Fataha Khalidun kitaban. Khalid opened a book. And Futiha kitabun. A book was opened. See another sentence. Fataha al-waladu al-kitaba. Fataha al-waladu al-kitaba. The boy opened the book. Fataha al-waladu al-kitaba. The boy opened the book. The passive is Futiha al-kitabu. Al-walad was deleted. Futiha al-kitabu. The book was opened. Fataha al-waladu al-kitaba. The boy opened the book. Futiha al-kitabu. The book was opened. See another sentence. Tarada Nasirun wa Majidun at-taliba. Here subject are two, Nasir and Majid. Tarada Nasirun wa Majidun at-taliba. Nasir and Majid ousted the student. Tarada Nasirun wa Majidun at-taliba is active voice. And passive is Turida at-talibu. The student was ousted. Tarada Nasirun wa Majidun at-taliba. Nasir and Majid ousted the student. Is an active. And in passive, Turida at-talibu. The student was ousted. See another sentence. Huma mana'ata. Huma mana'ata al-awlada. They too stopped the boys. Huma mana'ata al-awlada. They too stopped the boys. And passive is al-awladu muni'u. Active is Huma mana'ata al-awlada is inactive, and passive is al-awladu muni'u. The boys were stopped. Al-awladu muni'u. The boys were stopped. See another sentence. Nahnu wajadna al-wadaifa. Nahnu wajadna al-wadaifa is in active. Nahnu wajadna al-wadaifa, we found the jobs. We found the jobs. And passive will be al-wadaifu wujidat. Nahnu wajadna al-wadaifa, inactive, and in passive al-wadaifu wujidat, the jobs were given. Now look at the changes. You have read some sentences in active opposite to the passive. Now look at the changes. Take first sentence and find out changes. Fataha Khalidun kitaban. Its passive is Futiha kitabun. Fataha Khalidun kitaban is in active voice and Futiha kitabun is passive. See, when an active was changed into passive, the subject or doer. See carefully. When an active was changed into passive, the subject or doer was deleted and replaced by the object along with it means subject's vowel sign. So vowel sign is the main thing. When an active was deleted, was changed into passive, the subject or doer was deleted and replaced by object along with object's vowel sign. See the second sentence. Fataha al-waladu al-kitaba. Fataha al-waladu al-kitaba. Here passive is Futiha al-kitabu. The same happened here. The same happened here. The subject was deleted and the vowel sign of the doer was given to object. The subject is al-waladu, it was deleted, but the sign, vowel sign u was given to object al-kitabu. Futiha al-kitabu. The subject was deleted and the vowel sign of the doer was given to object. Similarly, read the third sentence. Tarada Nasirun wa Majidun at-taliba. Tarada Nasirun wa Majidun at-taliba. This is in active voice and in passive Turida at-talibu. Subjects were deleted. See the subjects Nasir and Majid. Here there are two subjects. Subjects Nasir and Majid were deleted and the object at-talib took their place with their vowel sign. But here the subject had long vowel sign un, while the object has short vowel sign. So the same short vowel sign was given to the object. The same short vowel sign was given to the object. See the fourth sentence carefully. Huma mana'ata al-awlada. Huma mana'ata al-awlada. They too stopped the boys. Huma mana'ata al-awlada. They too stopped the boys. It is a little tough, as I have earlier told. It is a little tough. Here subject came first. Here subject came first, followed by the verb, and the object came in the last. Huma is subject, al-awlad is object. So here subject came first, followed by the verb, and the object came in the last. You may make this sentence in two ways. That's why I have told that it is a little tough. See carefully. Huma mana'ata al-awlada. So you may make this sentence or this type of sentence in two ways. Number one, replace the subject with object and put the verb after object. Muneu. Here muneata was made muneu. Muneata is dual, muneu is plural. Here muniata was made muneu because the object is masculine, plural and third person. So the verb will come here accordingly. Al-awlad is plural. The verb will come plural. So the verb will come according to the subject, that is now object. Secondly, you may put the object in its place. Don't change. You may put the object in its place after deleting the subject. Now you have no change in the verb except sign of the feminine dual of third person, that is ta, because al-awlad is masculine. So it will be masculine. It's because when noun is visible, see carefully, when noun is visible, you have to put singular form and masculine or feminine according to the noun. Now it became Munia al-awladu. Munia al-awladu. Similarly, take the fifth sentence. Nahnu wajadna al-wadaifa. We more than two found the jobs. Here same condition happened. Nahnu wajadna al-wadaifa. See, huma mana'ata al-awlada. Here is nahnu wajadna al-wadaifa. We more than two found the jobs. Here same condition happened. You may make its passive in two ways also. See, you can make the passive of this active in two ways. Number one, replace the subject nahnu with the object al-wadhaif. Replace the subject nahnu with the object al-wadhaif and change the verb wajadna according to the object. Object is al-wadhaif. So it will become wujidat because the object is broken plural of non-personal noun, wherein generally singular feminine third person of the verb is used. Listen carefully. According to the subject wujidat, because the object is broken plural of non-personal pronoun, wherein generally singular feminine third person of the verb is used. Secondly, delete the subject nahnu and put the object al-wadhaif where it is located. Don't replace. Delete the subject nahnu and put the object al-wadhaif where it is located and make it as subject and change the verb accordingly. Wujidat. Wujidat because it is non-personal pronoun. So at the end, let us have two exercises. Till now you have read the conjugation as well as you have seen the use of these conjugations in the form of sentences, passive and active. Now at the end, let us have two exercises. One, make passive voice of past tense triliteral from the root letters zakara. Zakara, zal, kaf, ra is root letter. He mentioned, zakara, he mentioned. Let us read. Forms of passive voice of the past tense third person. So for singular, masculine, zukira, he was mentioned, and for feminine, zukirat, she was mentioned. And for dual, masculine, zukira, they two were mentioned, and for feminine, zukirata, they two were mentioned, and for plural, masculine, zukiru, they more than two were mentioned, and for feminine, zukirna, like sumina, zukirna, they more than two were mentioned. Forms of passive voice of the past tense second person. Masculine, singular. Zukirta, you were mentioned, and for feminine, zukirti. Zukirta, you were mentioned. Zukirti, for feminine, you were mentioned. And for dual, zukirtuma, you more than two were mentioned. For dual, masculine, zukirtuma, and for dual, feminine also, zukirtuma, as I have mentioned. So zukirtuma, you two were mentioned for masculine as well as for feminine. But in plural, for masculine will be zukirtum, you more than two were mentioned, and for feminine, zukirtunna, you more than two were mentioned. Forms of passive voice of the past tense first person. For masculine and feminine, there is one form, as I have already mentioned. So for singular, zukirtu, I was mentioned. For dual, zukirna, we two were mentioned. And for masculine also, zukirna, we two were mentioned. And there is also the same form for plural. Zukirna, we more than two were mentioned for feminine as well as for masculine. Second exercise, delete the subject, change the active into passive and put vowel sign to the object that now took the charge of subject. Kataba al-muallimu ad-darsa. The teacher wrote the lesson. Kutiba ad-darsu. The lesson was written. Fataha al-harisu al-baba. The guard opened the door. Futiha al-babu. The door was opened. Mazaja al-khadimu as-sukkara. The servant mixed sugar. Muzija as-sukkaru. The sugar was mixed. Nasaha al-walidu al-awlada. The father advised the sons. Nusiha al-awladu. Or al-awladu nusihu. The sons were advised. Al-raisu hazara al-jalsata. The head attended the meeting. There are two ways, as I have earlier told. Al-jalsatu huzirat. Huziratil jalsatu. The meeting was attended. Very good. Well done.